December 31st, we got to have biryani. At our farm, if it is someone's birthday, festival, anything, if I ask my guys, what do you guys want to eat? Only one thing comes out their mouth is biryani. So every time I keep making little bit changes to make this biryani, and today Power Chef Pranav is also going to join me in adding all the ingredients here. So you're going to add the greens first, because today we're going to add 2 greens which normally you don't see in a regular biryani, but because we have fresh these ingredients, we also have fresh bay leaf, but today we're going to use what?
Allspice.
Allspice. This is allspice leaves. So this has got all the flavors, the nutmeg, the cardamom, the cinnamon, the clove, everything. So just this is allspice leaves to flavor our biryani. Once you add this, like this much of it, it's going to give excellent flavors. Next one is
Dill leaf.
dill leaf. This is soya greens, the coriander leaf. See, the beauty is everything is grown by my guys here. So once in a while they too should get to enjoy the flavors. This is mint. So here the extra flavor comes from the dill and allspice. Lot of green chili. Sometimes we hot up the biryani with green chilies and sometimes with red chili powder also. So we're going to add red chili powder. For us, for almost 3 kg of chicken, almost half a cup of chili powder. We eat spicy here. Half a cup of coriander powder. This is a special biryani masala. I've got the recipe on YouTube. You can check it out. This is to give that extra punch. And little bit of cumin powder, ginger garlic paste, and salt. This chicken has been brined. That means it has been soaked in
Salt water.
salt water for at least 3 hours. Only then your chicken will be nice and juicy. When you cook biryani, you will have all the pieces perfectly soft and juicy. If you don't brine the chicken biryani, you will get some pieces which are tough. You will not enjoy it. And especially my guys here in the farm, they will not. So everybody is around here. Someone is taking care of the pond. Here the one guy is Mintu, Dinesh, Suresh. They're fixing the lawn. I decided I'm going to have a deshi lawn. I'm going to show in a video how to make a deshi lawn. That means you don't buy grass from anywhere. You pick up the grass from the land and make it into a lawn, and it's going to be good. Now in this, add oil. For 3 kg of chicken, 1 cup of oil. Salt I've added. This is flavoring salt. When people are going to be a little bit drunk, little bit of flavor enhancer is essential. In this, the brown onion. This brown onion must give the full flavor. And
Your favorite ingredient.
my favorite ingredient, curd. Curd is one thing that will give a little bit of sourness and full flavor for the biryani. Almost liter of curd. Now, you got to get your hands dirty. No. You got to get your hands flavorful. Yeah. So everybody gets to eat biryani, which is nice and full flavor. But I am the only one who get to eat biryani with the hands, which actually mix the masala, double flavor. Can they make out I'm drunk? No. So that is the double flavor, and the party begins here at the farm. This is for lunch, and the night party, whatever party you do, if you do it with the people who work with you every day, who toil the soil, you got to make sure that they also have a little bit fun. And to be very frank, in fact, these guys have better partying than any one of you, isn't it?
Sure.
For sure. Every Sunday, it's like party time for them, and they do the Nagin dance, and even I'm going to join them once in a while, but okay, that is all censored videos. Here, the masala is nice. The ginger garlic paste is fully mixed. And can I lick it on the camera? No?
No.
Okay. So, go wash your hands, and in the meanwhile, you squeeze the lemon. Whatever. You squeeze the lemon. Huh? That's it. The moisture from this, at least 20% of the moisture from this entire mixture will cook the rice to perfection. In this, in the boiling water, add whole garam masala, oil, and salt. They say gas comes out, but this guy is sitting on the cylinder itself. So once the water is boiling, add the rice. Rice has been soaked, you know. Okay. And let's cook the rice till it is 70% done. What is 70% done? The rice should be still a little bit of grainy when you bite it. It should break, it should not be like squeezed. You understand?
Full squeeze.
No, when you squeeze it, it should squeeze, not, it should break. When you break it, it's not done yet. Huh? So, once the rice is ready, we will get the chicken, get the biryani handi.
Rice is almost 70% done. Let's add it to the chicken. Some more brown onions. Again rice. Some saffron water on top. Now close the lid. Now cook this biryani for 30 minutes, 10 minutes on high flame, 10 minutes on medium flame, and the last 10 minutes on low flame. After that, we'll enjoy the biryani. In the meantime, you can watch Vashef fishing.
Yeah.
He got a fish, yeah, just missed.
Yeah, just missed the fish.
Vashef is crazy about fishing. He brought a new fishing rod.
Finally, this is fresh water marel fish from our pond. सबको बिरयानी दे भगवान डाय 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 पता नहीं कौन अभी हमको इस पे गाली मिलेगा सबको सन्नति दे भगवान ओके पहले लेडीज फर्स्ट लेडीज मैडम तिन स्टार्ट
Kids.
kids grown up kid